And again to the online class of Montbretia School. So children, in this class you will take it out English grammar book. Okay, and you know my name. My name is Miss Manisha. So I am your teacher of standard 3. So children, you will take it out your English grammar book. Take it out fast. Children, what we were doing in previous classes, say me? Yes, we were doing examples of singular and plural noun. Okay, so if you remember, we have done page number 32 and 33, right? So now we will do page number 34 and 35. So all of you keep pencils in your hand, or you can keep fingers also where I am reading. Okay, so again I'll read the examples and you will repeat after me. Okay, so now start. Okay, ready children? Okay. If the noun ends in a Y and the Y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing Y into IES. So students, this I have explained you before also, and today also again we will revise for you only, for your understanding only. Okay, now here what we have to do means here how the from singular how plural noun is changing. See, when a word ends with the letter Y and before Y there is a consonant. Okay, so that means that in plural form after removing Y we will put IES. For example, you see baby, BABY, right? And before Y, see, it is B, and B is your consonant. Yes. So see how in plural form how it will become BABIES. BABIES. Yes. Army, armies. ARMIES. Yes. We will change here into Y into IES. Yes. City, cities. Say after me. Lady, LADY, lady. Say LADIES, ladies. Diary, DIARY, diaries. DIARIES, diaries. Fly, FLY, fly. Flies, FLIES, flies. Okay. Yes. Now see the next one is, but we add only s to the singular if the y has a vowel before it. Now here children, the word ending with y, but before y if we have consonant, so that we will change into IES in the form of plural. Okay, but here if again the word is ending with y and but before y there is a vowel. Say children, first you say me what are the letters under vowel. Yes, AEIOU. So these, when it will come before y, that means there is a vowel. So that means that one we will change into, in the plural form only we will put s. Yes, we will not remove y. Yes, we will put that word, and after that word we will use s. Okay, and that will become, and that will change the singular form into plural form. Yes. Now see, boy, boys. See, BOY, boy, and before y there is a vowel. Yes, O. So we will put here boys, BOYS, boys. Day, days. Donkey, donkeys. See, DONKEY, DONKEYS. Yes, donkeys. Guy, guys. Okay. Now children, come here. Nouns ending in F or FE change to VES in the plural form. Now here there are some words which end in with F or FE. Okay, so that word we will change in the plural form. How we will change? We will put VES by removing F and FE. We will put VES. Yes. Now see how. See the examples. See, wife, WIFE, wife. Okay, now see here the word is ending with FE. See, WIFE. Okay, so now the word is ending with FE. I have told you F or FE, so that will change into VES. So now in plural form, what it will be? WIVES. See, VES came now. VES, yes. So WIVES, wives. Okay, and here the question was wife. That will change into wives. Okay, in the plural form. Now knife. Again, it is ending with FE. So what we will change? We will write VES. Okay. Now repeat after me. Knife. Knives. KNIVES. Yes. Life. Lives. Okay. VES. Half. Halves. Okay. Now here. Leaf. Leaves. Calf. Calves. Now here L will be silent. Now here half is in half. L is silent. So same in here also calf. L will be silent. Okay. Got it? Yes. Now wolf. Wolves. See again. VES. Okay. Now see children, have you noticed that here the words were ending in FE. Okay. Wife, knife, life. Ending with FE. And now from here the words are ending in only F. So no problem, we will put VES in the plural form. Okay. Wolf, wolves. Shelf, shelves. Yes. Okay, good. Now again come here, page number 35. A few nouns form their plural form by a vowel change. Now by a vowel change they form a plural noun. Okay. For example, foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Yes. Woman, woman. Okay, good. Yes. Man, men. Goose, geese. Now see here, in these words there are vowels. See here, double O, here O. Okay, here double O again, here again A. So these are the vowels. So from these only the words are changed in the plural form. Okay. Now see, some nouns do not change in plural form. See, there are some such kinds of words that do not change in the plural form, that they remains as it is. For example, see deer. These are the deers, right? So deer, deer. It will, here we will not put S or IES. Okay, they are the words which they don't change the plural form. Ship, ship. Fish, fish. We will not put here fishes in plural form. No, we will put only fish. Okay. Aircraft, aircraft. Okay, children, got it? Now see, there are some nouns which have only plural form. Now see, these words we cannot means we cannot write in uh, singular form. Okay, see, trousers, spectacles, scissors, clothes, spices. Okay, species. Okay, so now see, if we will remove S, so that doesn't make any word. So this means that here these are the plural form which cannot be put in singular form. Okay, now see, there are some nouns which have only singular form. Now here we were talking about only plural forms, and now here we will talk about only singular form that cannot be changed into plural form. Okay, now what are these words? See, furniture, news, information. Okay, now children, got it? Very new examples we have learned today. Okay, so now your homework will be, you will go through the chapter 7, all the things, examples plus exercises also. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.